Whenever a patient comes to my clinic with PCOS, infertility, diabetes, weight gain, I usually make them a customized diet plan, which is usually a low carb diet plan. And if needed, I do add some supplements to ease their transition from their high carb lifestyle to their low carb lifestyle. But I have noted that the most difficult thing for the patients to give up is their roti. Even if I tell them substitutes of wheat roti, they always say the texture of non-wheat roti is not like a wheat roti at all. So I found this almond flour roti, and the texture is so pliable, so soft, just like a wheat roti. Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. This wonderful roti is made with almond flour. It is an almond flour roti, and I'll attach the link in the description on where to buy this almond flour. To this almond flour, we'll just add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon of psyllium husk. This psyllium husk will be our binding agent. Just mix all the dry ingredients together and then add half a cup of boiling hot water. The water should be boiling. Steam should be coming out of it. It should be so hot. Now mix the dry ingredients with this water and mix it all. Obviously you cannot touch it because it is too hot. Use a spoon or a fork, and once all the mixture is homogenized, set it aside for a further 10 to 15 minutes so that the psyllium husk absorbs all the water very well. Now on a medium heat on a non-stick tawa, pour 1 teaspoon of any keto oil that you like and pour half of the batter that you just made. On the batter, add another teaspoon of oil just to make sure that it does not stick to the spatula. Because we are gonna shape our roti with the spatula, there is no kneading involved in this roti. And guys, it's really easy to make. You just have to cook it for 2 minutes from one side and then turn it over and cook it for 2 minutes on the other side. The texture of this roti is wonderful. The nutrition of this roti is wonderful. The only downside that I see in this roti is its expense. Almond flour is pricier than other keto flours. And if you want to see the recipes of other cheap keto rotis or low carb rotis, do subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon right with it because I have shared many low carb gluten free recipes. Anyway, our wonderful roti will be done in 4 minutes, and then you can enjoy it with any Indian curry that you like. Here, let me show you the texture of this roti. I have with me some kaleji. Kaleji is like fried liver, and some imli chutney, and you can see this roti folds easily. You can have your curry with it, you can have your chutney with it, you can use it as you use your normal roti or even your normal dosa. And let me show you another variation on how to use this roti. I want to make a shawarma or roll out of this roti. So while on the tawa, I added some mozzarella cheese. This mozzarella cheese is free from vegetable oils or chemicals. It is from Farmer's Cheese. I'll attach the link to Farmer's Cheese in the description box below also. So I took it off and then I added some shredded cheddar cheese. This cheese is also from Farmer's Cheese only. So this shawarma or roll will be loaded with cheese. And finally I added some veggies and then I rolled it up, and you can see how easily this roti rolls up. I'll show you a cross section. What I want to show is this roti holds its shape perfectly. And if you have kids who cannot eat almonds or elderly who do not have teeth to chew the almonds, this roti is a perfect way to feed them almonds because they'll get all the nutrition of the almonds. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below, what did you make out of your almond roti? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.